Hi friends. So why is it that most people are not able to manifest their dreams as they should, as is claimed by the law of attraction? If you've not watched my previous video on the law of attraction and why 99% people fail, I would suggest you watch that before coming here. Apart from this, if you like spirituality as a topic, check out my 5-minute mystic and my spirituality series books. Now coming to the issue at hand. I have already mentioned that what is uncovered in the book called The Secret is no new knowledge, but was knowledge that was known to the ancients for thousands of years. The problem now is, while The Secret beautifully explains and unravels for the common man how they should connect with the universe and their dreams shall be fulfilled, what has happened is, and what is exactly what the ancient rishis were worried about, and they did not divulge this to the common man, is that Western materialism has creeped into The Secret. Because it is written in the West, and because it is always about getting the new car, getting $10,000, I see tremendous amount of videos saying that this will make you rich. Please recall a bit of the spirituality and religion that you have learned. The Secret does not toss away every single religious text written so far. And what that means is, if God would have wanted human beings to have unlimited wealth, and that is what it comes down to, right? If everybody starts reading The Secret and then wishing for $10,000, $1,00,000, and a bigger house and a bigger car and a bigger promotion, why did God not create this earth with abundance for all? And what is abundance? It's a relative term. If you were to have a X size house and everybody would have 2X, you would want 2X. If he had a bigger car, now you would go around asking the universe for an even bigger car. It will not work. Everybody wants instant results, so people are blindly trying to copy law of attraction. It will not yield results, and after a time you will discover, you will accept that the law of attraction does not work. It will pass away as a fad. Exactly what happened thousands of years back. And that's why the monks and the rishis realized that only the chosen few can understand that it has to be in line with your life's journey, destiny, and spiritual growth. This universe is like a parent who will give you what you want. But if you want to be like a child in a candy shop asking for everything, it will fail. In my next video, I will tell you how one of the greatest religious gurus of India used this law of attraction. Wait for it, maybe it will give you a little more insight into this. Thank you.